Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online science class. In this session, we are going to discuss about volume percentage. Okay. In previous session, we are clear that mass percentage and how to calculate the mass percentage. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about volume percentage. The volume percentage means volume of solute in ml. Okay, volume of solute present in volume of the given volume of the solution. Okay, this is the volume percentage. We can calculate the volume percentage using the formula. The given formula is volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Okay, volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100, or the volume percentage equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Okay, because volume of solution. Okay, the solution contains solute and solvent. So volume instead of volume of solution, we can write volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Okay, into 100. Next, we are going to discuss about problems based on volume percentage. Okay. So listen, the first problem: a solution made from 35 ml of methanol. Okay, 35 ml of methanol and 65 ml of water. 65 ml of water. Calculate the volume percentage. Calculate the volume percentage. So the given is volume of solute. Volume of solute. Here that is 35 ml of methanol. It is the solute. Okay. So 35 ml of methanol and then volume of solvent. That is 65 ml of water. Okay. Water. So we have volume of solute and volume of solvent. So to calculate the volume percentage, equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solute plus solvent into 100. Volume of solute divided by volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Because here they given volume of solute and volume of solvent separately. Okay, so we use volume of solute plus volume of solvent. So we know volume of solute and volume of solvent. To substitute this in this formula, we can get volume percentage. Okay, so now volume of solute is 35 divided by volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Volume of solute 35 plus volume of solvent is 65 and then 100. Okay. So 35 divided by 35 plus 65 into 100. To simplify that, first we can add 65 plus 35. Hence we can get 35 divided by 100 into 100. Okay, 35 divided by 100 into 100. Here now further to simplify, first to multiply 35 into 100. 35 into 100. To multiply 35 into 100. 35 into 100. First to multiply 0. We can get 0. Further multiply it by 0. Here also 0. And then to multiply 1, we can get 35. So 30 0 0 5 3. So 3500 3500 divided by 100. 3500 divided by 100. To divide 3500 by 100. Okay. 3500 divided by 100. 3500 divided by 100. To divide by 100, we can get 3 digits. Okay. 3 digit means here 350 is present, here 100. In 350, 300 are present. So 3 times 3 into 100, 300. Remaining 50. 50 is lower than 100. So add 0. Okay. Here 500. In 500, 5 times are present. So 5 into 100, 500. So 0. So the answer is 35. Okay. So the answer is 35%. Okay. Let us discuss one more problem based on this model. Here 10 ml of ethanol present in 90 ml of water. Okay, 10 ml of ethanol present in 90 ml of water. What is the volume percentage of this solution? Okay, what is the volume percentage of this solution? Okay. So from this given here 10 ml of ethanol, that is the solute. Okay, and then 90 ml of water is the solvent. Okay, so volume of solute. Okay, volume of solute is 10 ml of ethanol. Volume of solute is 10 ml of ethanol, and then volume of solvent is $90 ml of water. Okay, here we know that volume of solute and volume of solvent. Okay, so same model, volume percentage equal to calculate volume percentage. Equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Because they given volume of solute and solvent also. Okay, volume of solute and solvent also into 100. So this is the formula. Then to calculate volume percentage, to substitute the value volume of solute and volume of solvent, hence we can get the volume percentage of this solution. Okay. So first volume of solute. Here volume of solute is 10 ml of ethanol. So 10 divided by, here volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Volume of solute 10 plus volume of solvent 90 ml of water. So 90 into 100 into 100. Okay. So to simplify that, first we have 90 plus 10. 90 plus 10, 10 divided by 10 plus 90, we can take 100 into 100. Okay. So simply cancel this 100 and this 100 because it is numerator is denominator. So to cancel this, hence we can get 10%. So the volume percentage is 10%. The volume percentage is 10%. Next, calculate the volume of ethanol in 200 ml of solution of 20%. Volume divided by volume aqueous solution of ethanol. Okay, listen. Calculate the volume of ethanol in 200 ml solution of 20% volume divided by volume aqueous solution of ethanol. Okay. In that, the given is 200 ml of solution. Okay, 200 ml of solution. So they given volume of solution. They given volume of solution, that is 200 ml. Okay, that is 200 ml. Okay, and then next, listen. Ethanol in 200 ml solution of 20%. Okay, 20%. So the volume percentage of this solution is 20%. So volume percentage is 20%. Here they will ask volume of ethanol. Okay, here they will ask volume of ethanol present in 20% of aqueous solution. 20% of aqueous solution. To calculate this, okay, to calculate this, first is we have the formula volume percentage. Okay, volume percentage equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Okay, volume of solution into 100. In previous problems, we use volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Okay, but here we use volume of solution because in that they given volume of solution only. Okay, they given volume of solution only. Okay, so we use volume of solution. Okay, here we can use volume of solute and volume of solvent instead of volume of solution. Okay, if they given volume of solute and solvent. Okay, but they given volume of solution only, so we use volume of solution. Okay, so we know that volume percentage, that is 20%, and volume of solution, that is 200 ml. Okay, and then we can we have to calculate volume of solute. Okay, that is we can't know the volume of solute, so we have to calculate volume of solute. Okay, So volume percentage is, to calculate this, to substitute this value in this formula. Okay. So first volume percentage, that is 20%. That is 20 equal to volume of solute. Here the solute is ethanol. So volume of ethanol. Volume of ethanol. Okay, volume of ethanol. Okay. Divided by volume of solution, that is 200 ml. 200 into 100. Okay. Into 100. Okay. So to simplify this, here 200 is present in denominator. Okay. So to change the sign, it is changed to here. It present in numerator. Okay. Here it is present in numerator. To change, here it is present in numerator. So 20 into 200 equal to volume of ethanol into 100 into 100. So 20 into 200 equal to volume of ethanol into 100. Okay. Now we can calculate volume of ethanol when this 100 change it to this side. Okay, change it to this side. Here the 100 is present in numerator. To change this side, it will change it to denominator. Okay, it will change it to denominator. So volume of ethanol equal to volume of ethanol equal to 20 into 200 divided by 100 divided by 100. Okay. Now to simplify that, 200 into 20, 200 into 20. So 200 into 20. 200 into 20. To multiply by 0, hence you can get 0. To multiply by 2, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, 4. So hence we can get 4000 divided by 100. 4000 divided by 100. To simplify this, first cancel 1 0. Here also 1 0, 0, 0. Okay. Hence we can get 40 ml. 40 ml. Okay. The book back exercise problem based on this model. Here 3.5 liters of ethanol is present in 15 liters of aqueous solution of ethanol. Okay, 3.5 liters of ethanol is present in 15 liters of aqueous solution of ethanol. Okay, aqueous solution of ethanol. Calculate volume percent of ethanol solution. Calculate volume percent of ethanol solution from this. Given 3.5 liters of ethanol, that is the volume of solute. So volume of solute equal to 3.5 liters of ethanol. 3.5 liters of ethanol. Okay. Next, 15 liters of aqueous solution of ethanol. 15 liters of aqueous solution of ethanol. That is the volume of solution, not volume of solvent. Okay. They given solution. So volume of solution equal to 15 liters. 15 liters. Okay, volume of solution equal to 15 liters. Okay. So here they give 3.5 liter of ethanol, that is volume of solute, and 15 liters volume of solution. Okay, they given solute and solution, volume of solute and volume of solution, and they ask volume percentage. Okay, they ask volume percentage. To calculate volume percentage, volume percentage equal to volume percentage equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Okay, volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So to substitute volume of solute and volume of solution in this formula, volume of solute, that is 3.5 liter, divided by volume of solution, that is 15 liters. 15 liters into 100. Okay, into this 100. Okay, so liters cancel. We can get 3.5 divided by 15 into 100. Okay, to simplify this, first we have to multiply 3.5 into 100. Okay, 3.5 and 100. Hence, we can get 100 into 3.5. Okay, 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 0, 0. 1 into 5, 5. Okay. Next, 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 1 into 3, 3. 0, 0, 5, 3. Okay. Here, after digit 1, after point, 1 digit are present. So, here also after digit 1 digit are present. Okay, after point 1 digit are present. So, after the point 0, that has no value. So, 350. Okay. So, 350 divided by here 15. 350 divided by 15. So to 12, 350 by 15. To divide 350 by 15, here 2 digit 35%, here 15%. Okay, in 35, 2 15s are present. 2 15s are present. So 2 into 15, 30. 2 into 15, 30. Remaining 5. Okay. To add this 0, hence we can get 50. In 50, how many 15s are present? 3 15s are present. Okay. 3 into 5, 15. So 5. 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 45. Here also remaining 5. Okay. Remaining 5. This is the smaller number than 50. Okay. So let's add 1 0 to digit. Okay. To dot. So we can get 50. Okay. Again, in 50, 3 times are present. 3 15s are present. So 3 15s are 45. 3 15s are 45. Again 5. So hereafter continuously we can add 0 to infinity. Okay. So this steps will go to infinity. Okay. So add on 0 means hence we can get 50. Okay. So in that also 3 15s are present. So 3 15 45. Remaining 5. Okay. Here the steps will go to up to infinity. So to start this, hence we can get 23.33. 23.33. Okay. So the answer is 23.33%. Okay. Because we asked volume percentage, so 23.33%. Okay, this is the answer. Okay.